Pleased to have you return to my channel, Coin Lady. Things are going to absolutely explode. Put XRP videos that other people have dropped aside. Be sure to keep an eye on this since we will shortly be sharing the most recent information regarding RLUSD and an XRP breakthrough. We seem to be proving those who think Ripple is headed to zero wrong practically every day, which is fantastic news, and we've talked about Ripple nearly every day. I have some really exciting news to share with you regarding the integration of RLUSD into XRPL, which we have been discussing recently. The topic of Ripple's and worldwide adoption is all I wanted to touch on. There has been a suppressed pricing point for some time now. The anticipation of that news is palpable. We have approximately 2 weeks left to finalize the settlement we have. After that, it will be over. An appeal does not appear to be in the works. Plus, it's just bullshit if someone says something has occurred. No one has even bothered to file an appeal. The SEC has decided that 12.5 million is acceptable. We reach the point where Ripple has progressed. We are witnessing this in many regions of the world, including Brazil, Europe, and countless others, but global acceptance is on the horizon. The Brazilian Federal Reserve and the National Federation of Associations of Central Bank Servers have officially announced their partnership with Ripple, a development that we have been reporting extensively over the past several days. That is not all, though. Next, we enter the European Union and the United Kingdom, where we can observe a distinct intersection that allows for easy cross-border payments. Wallet CBDC systems are also being tested by the Central Bank of Montenegro and the Financial Conduct Authority. Now, our stance on CBDCs is subjective, but we certainly don't want to see them in the UK. I am aware that the United States is not one of them either, but it is intriguing that this is happening in nations that could really use it, like Nigeria and Montenegro, where the use of cryptocurrencies is increasing. Positive news only, the metrics in Asia and Oceania are beginning to ripple out, and this is something I believe is critically important. The Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia are among the top countries in the world for receiving remittances, and they are all seeing rapid economic growth. In order to begin trading in these countries, Ripple is now forming partnerships and is actively pursuing these institutional licenses. Recently, Ripple is planning to relocate to the Monetary Authority of Singapore, which is just one of several places where cryptocurrency acceptance has been on the rise. Importantly, the official Ripple governance website makes note of partners, and there is domestic networking as well. These people over here have some seriously cool names. Here we may observe the ever-changing Ripple Net, which is the central topic of discussion when it comes to international payment solutions. Santander and Bank of America are visible along the bottom of the basic charter. Given the history of regulation and suppression around Ripple, the announcement by Bank of America is, in my opinion, highly significant. Now, I've mentioned this in my live stream and other videos that we are just alerted to this by one of these banks, so we're at the front of their actions. Thus, this may resemble a transaction. They may be inviting some of their consumers to participate in this. Given everything that's happening, I think we'll witness a September major move pretty soon. I also believe, and I was thinking about this yesterday, that we'll witness some segments of the banking industry disclose their usage of Ripple. And I can say it with ease. I may claim that we will reach $10,000 in XRP, but it's hard to provide evidence for such claim. So, as we discussed yesterday, these are the XRPL transactions where RLUSD is being set, specifically attached to a wallet. Ripple has initiated these transactions, whether it's a multi-SIG, the authorization of it, the distributor of XRP, or most importantly, RLUSD. Everything is up and running presently. As more and more countries and financial institutions, maybe even the Commonwealth, begin to accept RLUSD and XRPL as payment, I think we will start to see these build out. It's weird that this launch is happening at the same time as Bank of America's new website and a plethora of other things. Thus, we will undoubtedly provide you with updates regarding this. Pressing the subscribe button is all that's required. All things considered, you get the lowdown, you know what's occurring, and you're always in the know. However, rest assured that we will provide you with regular updates regarding this. I find it quite intriguing. So far, 10 wallets have been created. In case you missed yesterday's video, I highly recommend watching it. It takes some time to figure out what's going on. Now tell me, what's the deal with the price? The Bitcoin market has taken a favorable turn, and now it seems like Kamala Harris may join the chorus of voices calling for widespread acceptance of digital currency. Excellent news. So, Ripple, what's the latest? We are preparing for an incredibly intriguing event. Right now, we're trading inside this falling wedge and are beginning to aim to retest the upper level. At roughly 61 cents, this might indicate a price breakout. As for the moving averages, we can observe a fascinating pattern. The pink line from the shorter time frame crosses over the longer one, indicating that we are in an uptrend. This pattern has persisted for the past week or two. There seems to be an infinite amount of time in the day to keep you all apprised of all the happenings, but there is a lot of good news regarding XRP and a lot of activity occurring in the background. In order to stay up to date on everything happening in the cryptocurrency market and specifically with XRP, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and watch me on X. Thank you for your time as usual. Your support in the form of likes and comments is greatly appreciated. The channel is being greatly benefited by it. You all play a significant role in our rapid growth compared to other channels in the industry. Therefore, I am quite obliged. Maintain your current course of action. We will observe XRP's behavior. Within the next week or two, I anticipate a significant development. I appreciate you taking the time to view my online video. Bye for now, and please subscribe and like my channel.